Hi, I'm Taylor, and I'm excited to welcome you to Feathr. During the first 30 days of your license, my team will guide you through an onboarding period to set you up for success. Here's what you can expect to happen next. We will create your Feathr account and send login credentials to your team's admin. Once they log in, they can invite additional team members and access the Super Pixel in the app. The sooner the Super Pixel is placed across your site, the better. Then, your team will schedule a 1-hour kickoff video call using the calendar link in your welcome email. You will have up to 4 video calls with a dedicated onboarder over the month. Together, you will navigate the app, integrate your data, establish conversion tracking, and prepare to launch campaigns. Many customers launch campaigns during their onboarding period. Within 30 days after your license start date, your onboarder will introduce you to your Customer Success Manager, or CSM, who will then be your primary point of contact at Feathr. They will schedule regular calls to align your Feathr usage with your marketing goals. You don't have to wait until training starts to use Feathr. Start exploring in the app and bring your questions to your onboarding calls. You can also register for our on-demand training courses at training.feathr.co today. If you want to watch more videos like this one, then click here to watch it right now. Otherwise, we're so excited for you to get started. See you in the next video.